We're gonna do a quick run. Throttle cable check. I love these cables, man. I think they're still loose. So now we're gonna tackle the brake line. I hate the brake lines. I've always had a fear of brake lines, but you can't be scared of it, right? So let's get this episode rolling. Get that out of here. Zip ties. Get a bag of zip ties. It'll be your friend. 10 millimeter. Alright, let's get this brake line off of here. Let's not turn this into a large to-do project. Get this brake line off of here. Let me get the new brake line. Yep. Magnum shieldings. Brake line here. Let's get this done. Right. So this one's from the bottom. This one's from the top. This one's the top. And that, nope. So that's the top. This is the bottom. I see. You guys see the difference? The top is bigger than the bottom one, so just keep that in mind. The top bolt is fatter than the bottom bolt. Keep that in mind. Here's the bottom. Just in case I missed that, 'cause I think I had the camera. Top bolt is thicker, bigger washers. Bottom bolt is smaller, thinner, with smaller washers. Once again, you're gonna do that. You're gonna do this. I feel like there's a twist on this. I feel like this is backwards. Sure is.
So I put a zip tie down on purpose because I know that's where I want it to fit on there. Now I know these cables might be a little thicker, so I'm kind of hoping it still fits through the factory rubber grommet here. I do want to use these. Yeah, just a hair wider, but I think it'll make it work. So almost that way, keep it away from. There, there, squeeze that there.
Right. So looking good. Probably you can't see any of these brake line stuff, but it's looking good. I like it. It's the way it is. Pretty sure that's where I'm going to keep it. So I'm putting Loctite. Alright, so I'm prepping my bike for the new brake fluid. Covered the surrounding area, the tank. I got my wrench on the nut and my vacuum pressurized. Now I'm going to create a little pressure here. There we go, we got brake fluid going in. Loosen this up again. See the air line? See the air inside the lines? Get out. Up. Get a little bit more fluid in here again. Try not to let this go dry, because if this goes dry, you're going to introduce more air into the line. And that's something you do not want to do. See the air bubbles come out. What happened to all my hard work? Actually, I'm just changing the bushings. I think it's the last thing that's needed before the clutch cable. And this should conclude this episode. Installing the brake lines. I don't know why, but I'm like scared for screwdrivers today. Ouch! But these are the new bushings. Heavy duty handlebar risers, got them off for eBay, 30 bucks. And install those, torque it down, put the bars back in, and it should be done. Little helpful tip that I learned from Bagger Bro, I believe his name was, from Blockhead. Like a glove. I set my neighbor's alarm off. Whoops.